Have you ever wondered about something deep? About who you are? Do you know yourself? I've been pondering about it since 10 years ago. There is something nudging at me from inside. I don't know what it is, but it feels like emptiness and sorrow. And I was afraid to be open about it. The world already has its rules fixed, and I was too afraid to be different. Am I crazy for feeling like nobody understands me? Am I weird wanting to be alone most of the time? Is this the truth about myself? I want something different than what the world has offered me. From outside, my life seems to be perfect. Living in a big house with a former husband and 2 wonderful children. But deep inside, I feel like dying. I'm far, far away from happiness. The more I try to run away from those feelings, the more strangled I am. So, who am I, really? Am I only valued as my name and the role I play? Am I only worthy because of my physical body and social status? If I already have everything I want, why do I still feel empty? After years and years of contemplation and hermit mode, I finally knew that there is no answer for who I am. Who we are is always changing from time to time. And that's the beauty of life. But if I must conduct one answer, it will be that I am nothing and everything in the same time. So much suffering happens because we hold on into labels and all the roles we play. The identity and the persona we use as a mask that we present to the world. But who are we if we put down the mask? Who are we at 3 a.m.? Do we lose ourselves without the mask and the identity? What is real? The identity or the nothingness? Life is about letting go all the things that is not you. And it's a beautiful journey filled with emotions and feeling. So, who are you? Will you take this journey?